Denon DP-400 turntable is built upon the popular DP-300F turntable. It comes with a 3-speed DC motor, auto stop function, and an S-shaped tone arm. Built-in preamp, the DP-400 can be plugged into any aux input. If you want to use your own preamp, this function can be turned off via the equalizer switch located on the back of the turntable. The DP-400 is not a fully automatic turntable like the DP-300F, but it does have an auto stop function, which will lift up the tone arm and turn off the motor once the end of the record is reached. One of the notable features of the DP-400 is the dual-purpose dust cover. Everything you need to set up the DP-400 is inside the box. Carefully remove all the contents of the box and place the turntable on a solid surface. While removing the contents, we highly recommend not disposing of anything just yet, as there might be parts hidden inside the foam. Remove the platter, then locate the rubber belt found on the underside of the platter. Install the platter by placing it directly on the spindle. Rotate the platter so that the red V is aligned with the pulley on the body of the turntable. Peel the tape off and pull the belt until it's placed inside the groove of the pulley. Next, place the slip mat on the top of the platter. Insert the head shell into the tip of the tone arm, then secure it by turning the lock nut clockwise. Gently screw in the counterweight, the number dial facing the front of the turntable. Move the counterweight back and forth until the tone arm balances or floats gently on top of the platter. Once you successfully balance the tone arm, return it to the tone arm rest, and without moving the counterweight, carefully rotate the number dial until the number 0 is in the 12 o'clock position. Then, rotate the counterweight to the recommended downforce of the cartridge, which is 2.0 grams. Turn the anti-skate dial so it's lined up with the number 2. Plug in the supplied RCAs to the outputs of the turntable. To connect the turntable to a system with a standard aux input, simply flick the equalizer to the on position. Connect the supplied AC adapter to the port found on the rear panel of the turntable. Turn the power/RPM knob to the desired speed. Then raise the stylus cover on the cartridge. Now release the armrest lock and raise the tone arm using the lifter lever. Then use the finger lift to place the stylus at the start position of the record. If you wish to disengage the auto stop function, locate the switch on the rear panel and make sure that it's in the off position. The unique design of the dust cover allows it to be used as a record stand. Simply face the dust cover as shown, then insert it into the groove in the provided dust cover stand. That's all. Have fun and enjoy your turntable.